Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Decided to make a post on the current trending of the bot application that I've been posting. Alright, so here is the details of the current thing that have been happening. Alright, so on this post I'm going to make a comprehensive explanation on how you can make up to 300k per day on Bet9ja using AI bot that I just implemented. Okay, I hope this note finds you well. So it's also share some discovery I've made regarding Bet9ja. Okay, in recent time there has been growing interest in the leveraging of AI technology to optimize both betting, both graphics, and so many things, and even the work we do on daily basis. So I have to leverage the same thing on AI bots, so using Python. Alright, so I have a kind of powerful AI bot which trades on Bet9ja. Okay, this bot is actually has a kind of advanced algorithm and prediction analysis. Okay, that has shown potential improvement on decision making. Alright, so and increase the chances of a success on the platform like Bet9ja. So these artificial intelligence bots are designed to analyze an vast amount of historical data, spot patterns, and make informed prediction. And it monitors. It also works based on the capital you have. Even if you have a capital of 10,000 naira, it can leverage on the capital and then set up a working strategy that suits the capital you have. Alright, so even if you have 100,000 naira, if you have 1 million naira, if you have 2 million naira, okay. However, it's important to approach this with a caution and responsibility while using these AI bots. Okay, I know that I have made a remarkable work and it's something that I have tested severally. Alright, so for those of you who doesn't know what Bet9ja is all about, remember I have my disclaimer here. You should know that this post and this video is just for training purposes or for educational purposes only, and does not constitute any financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Alright, betting involves risk, and past outcome do not guarantee future results. Only bet with what you can afford to lose. Okay, so if you have a gambling concern, seek help. Alright, I'm not liable for any losses or incurred gamble responsibly. So always gamble responsibly and within legal boundaries. Alright, so now let's kick off. For those of you who doesn't want to know what this particular casino is all about in Bet9ja, look at how it works. Okay, I'm going to open. Just go to your Chrome browser. Okay, I'm going to type Bet9ja. Alright, so it will open. Wonderful. Now I'm going to log in. Alright, so I'm going to go to my casino. Alright, sorry, I don't need to log in, so I wouldn't dispose or expose my accounts in the name of this video. Alright, so I'm just going to go to popular from casino. You can see casino here. I will go to casino, go to popular, then from here I'm not using live, I'm just going to trade on demo. Alright, so I'll click on demo. You can see it. So this is how it works. Alright, this is how it works. So here you have different section of this thing you can play. Alright, games you can play on betting, you can play on high-low, you can play on dragon, you can play on rainbow, you can play on so-color, you can play on bet0. Alright, so let me just put it through on how this works. Now you are asked to predict which number that will appear next. Okay, just select the number that will appear next. So all you need to do is to come here, select the number that will appear. So if that number appears, if you have to select, let's assume we want to bet with 100 naira. Okay, then we are asked to select you assume that one will come out next after doing your investigation or whatever. Okay, so once you click, you can see one. If this 100 naira will give you 702 80 naira, which way one is 7.8 odd, 2 is 70 odd, 3 is 700 odd, and 4 is 7,000 odd. So if I'm able to predict 4 things that comes out at the same time, alright, if I'm able to predict 4 things that comes out at the same time with just 100 naira, I'm going to make 700,000 naira. Alright, so this is it for this one. Alright, so this is for high low. So I also have a bot for this that analyze, kind of AI bot, okay, that analyze and predicts accurately, okay, and give you a better chances of winning. Alright, so here is for high low. It's either they're asking you to predict if the next ball will be between this margin 21 to 148, which is low, or 152 to 279, which is high, or 149 to 1, which is mid. And high will give you 2 odd, low will give you 2 odd, and mid will give you 26 odd. So whatever you put, okay, it goes. Alright, so let's assume I want to predict. I can decide to predict that the next odd that will come is 200, will go high. Alright, so if what I predict is correct, is actually going to win. So if I predict that is high, I will just click and place bet. So the money will be deducted from your account, and then you wait for your outcome to come out in the next 45 minutes. Okay, here is the dragon, and here is the rainbow. The dragon, you can see here you are asked to select all these numbers, okay, in order to win. You can even win as big as 500,000. Alright, you can even win as big as this, okay, 500,000 odd, which is 6 balls if you're able to select up to 6 balls. Alright, here is what? Rainbow. Okay, rainbow, you can even win up to 1,500 odd if you're able to choose the 6, predict how many colors that will be in the next draw. If you predict that up to 6 colors that can appear, you get 1,500. Here is total colors. So the good thing about this is that I have a strategy that works. Right, so let's assume, let me just make an instant recovery of this particular bet I made here. Okay, now studying everything here, I can decide to go with with amazing tactics using my AI. Alright, so let's assume I want to play. Okay, I can decide to go this way, I can decide to go this way. Okay, so many of you might not understand this or understand what I'm doing. Alright, so remember that the amount we had there was actually 100,000. Okay, by the time I finish this, I want to have, alright, my 100,000 naira back on stage. Okay, so let me see how well, if I will actually win or lose. Boom boom. Okay, you can see I just won 22,000 naira, and my total winning is this. Okay, it's 111,000. Okay, so my profit now is 11,750. So this is how remarkable this is. Okay, as you can see, I actually predicted that the next color will be this. Okay, that the next color will be appear most is blue, and I also predicted that this mid will appear next. Okay, I actually won it. Alright, so now the good thing here is that I have a kind of I have AI. Alright, AI bot that I've actually built using Python here. Alright, that will help you to analyze and give you remarkable results on this. Alright, so I will advise you, I'm going to give this AI bot to one of my follower here. Alright, I know that I've not actually broadcast this. Okay, I've been secretly using it on myself. So, but one person I'm actually going to give it to. Alright, so all you need to do is just to, if you have not subscribed on my channel, I advise you to subscribe now, so that anytime I'm posting subscribed videos, you will be able to see it. And for those of you that have subscribed, kindly comment. Okay, like I have it on I have this bot on this, I have it on all these sections. I have it on Bet9ja 49, I have it on High Low, I have it on Dragon, I have it on Rainbow, I have it on Tutucolor, I have it on Bet0. Alright, kindly comment the one you would like me to give you. Alright, remember that all these things. Okay, let me just show you an example of what I mean. Okay, if I go to my, let me just click go to my, to show you where I have them. Okay, here is my Python programs. Okay, if I go to my list, I will be able to see all the program or the bot programs I have here. Okay, I have them in bulk. Alright, so now here is a high low. So I'm not going to trade like the ones you see there that is live. Okay, they are the one that runs live. I'm not going to run live. Okay, I'm going to run the one that is there. I'm going to run the one that that runs on the demo. Okay, all I need to do is just to go to the particular one I want to run and then click on it and it will start. So all these things are the Python files. Okay, once I send it to you, so which one would you like me to send to you, and which one would you recommend me to do? If you actually have a strategy that works very well, that you think that perfect the artificial intelligence of the computer, you can easily chat me up. Alright, can work together. I'll be able to develop it for you. Alright, so once I send you the file, all you need to do, it doesn't take any configuration, it doesn't take any form of setup. All you need to do is double click and start running. Okay, and it runs only on system. If you want to run it on your mobile phone, all you need to do is to create a mobile remote client that runs on the cloud, then link up your platform with it and you can be able to run it. Okay, so like here, if I want to run this, I'll just double click. Alright, so it pops up and it goes to the next. So it will call up my app and it will start running. So that is how it works. So it will call up, it works, it drives with Chrome driver, so it will just call up my Chrome and it will just link up with whatever thing I'm doing, and it will call up the program and start running. So that is how easy it is. Alright, so remember what I said, that is built with Python, and Python is a powerful programming language. It works on all the system. Once you get this file, so this particular file I'm going to give it to one of the person here. Alright, on my channel, someone that has been following my channel, someone that has been a good follower, and people that have been supporting this program in one way or the other. I've built these bots in so many ways. I've built it for even those that have come to me, alright, that have actually worked with me and we do one business or the other to develop different bots, even in different trading sites or in different trading sites. If you also need a bot on binary option or FX, okay, you can link me up. If you also need a training on how to develop all these things, alright, you can link me up. Alright, so once again, thank you very much. Remember, this bot, I sell them for 100,000 naira. If you need any of them, I can easily send them to you. Okay, if you need where I trade them live, you can connect with me. I will show you where it's running live. Okay, so if you need this bot and you want to make as much as this, alright, so the next video I'm going to post will be where the bot is trading. Alright, I will post the one where the bot made over 30,000 per hour. It's making over 10,000 naira per hour using just 100,000 naira capital. I will also put the one I did manually where how to make over 2 million naira using your manual system of trading, but on a very high risk taking. Okay, so once again, thank you very much for your time, and to have